3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis again, guys. Welcome to another video here, Español con Dennis. And today we are going to talk about exceptions. Spanish excepciones, guys. Excepciones. And why is so important? Because as you already know, there are some nouns in Spanish that are not masculine or feminine, but the opposite. Why? Because they are exceptions. And today we will learn 20 common exceptions that you need to write it down, because yes, sometimes there are rules, but sometimes you just need to remember such words. Unfortunately, remember the exception. In a lot of languages there are exceptions, and in Spanish the number one today is el clima. El clima. And what means el clima? El clima, guys, is the weather. The weather. And guys, el clima ends in A, the letter A. And why is masculine and not feminine? Because it's exception. Exception. So you need to write down el clima, the weather. El clima hoy es maravilloso. The number 2 today is el día. El día means the day. Día, and día is also masculine, guy. We need to use the article el because it's masculine, masculino. El día. Hoy tuve un mal día. Guys, día. And the number 3 is idioma. El idioma. And what means el idioma? El idioma means the language. The language. Language. It's masculine. So you need to write down and remember that. Language. El idioma español es muy bonito. Yes, guys. Number 4 today is el planeta. Planeta means planet. Planet. El planeta, also exception, guys. Excepción. El planeta Tierra es muy grande. Number 5 hoy es el poema. El poema means poem. El poema que escribiste es muy hermoso. Poema. And then we have problema. El problema, also masculine, despite the fact that ends in A because it's excepción. El problema es muy grande. The problem is very big. El programa. El programa. Programa. Program. El programa es muy interesante. El sofá. El sofá. El sofá is also masculine. El sofá que hay en tu casa es muy grande. Remember, you need to write down all these exceptions. And then we have el tema. Tema is topic. Topic. El tema, the topic. The next one is el mapa. El mapa. The map. The map. Mapa, map. El mapa es muy grande. So we have words that are masculine and they use the article el. And there are words who are feminine and they use the article la. El y la. El y la. But in Spanish we have exceptions, guys. Exceptions. And you need to remember all the exceptions because sometimes you just need to remember. Unfortunately, it is like this. If the word ends in O, is masculine, and if the word is end in consonant, is masculine. But there are exceptions. And if the word end in A, is feminine, femenina. But there are exceptions. So, guys, those are some masculine exceptions, and now we are going to feminine exception. 10 and 10. Yeah, need to be fair. Yeah, masculine, masculino, femenino. Yeah. The next one is la mano. Mano is hand. Hand. Feminine, despite the fact that the ending is in O. So, need to remember this exception. No, el mano is not correct. La mano, la mano, la mano. La mano tiene 5 dedos. The next one is edad. Edad. Edad means age. Edad, la edad. La edad, guys. Need to remember this. ¿Cuál es tu edad? How old are you? Yeah, in fact, we have this question. ¿Cuál es tu edad? And the next one is la paz. La paz. La paz. La paz en el mundo. The peace in the world. La voz. La voz is voice, guys. The voice. la voz. Yeah, guys, like this show that you have the voice, la voz, yeah? Going on to the next one, la foto. Guys, foto is also feminine. And remember that we have la fotografía, and we use the short way, la foto, la foto. So remember about that. The next one is la pared. La pared is the wall. La pared. And it need to be masculine because it's ending in consonant, but it's a section, so it's feminine. La pared. La pared de tu casa es muy preciosa. The next one is la flor. La flor. Flor is flower, and flower is feminine in Spanish. Yes. So, la flor que tienes en la mano es muy bonita. Maybe flor is feminine, an exception, because maybe flor or flowers are for girls, woman, for women, for girls. Maybe that is why it's an exception. What do you think about that? La flor, not el flor. Remember about that. The next exception is la radio. Radio is radio, guys, but in Spanish it's feminine. La radio. La radio de tu padre es de color gris. Y the next one is la mujer. Mujer is woman, and this is why it needs to be feminine because of the meaning of the word. Yeah, some words in Spanish ending in consonant, and it needs to be masculine, but not. It needs to be feminine because the meaning is woman. Mujer, woman. La mujer que está allí es muy alta. La mujer, woman, femenino. Y the last word today is la luz. La luz. La luz is light. La luz de la habitación está encendida. Today, you know 20 exceptions in Spanish that will help you with your vocabulary. I need to remember, write down those words because, guys, those exceptions are the one that you need to remember when you are speaking, when you need to use the article. You cannot say el mano, la día, la tema, la flor, el mujer. Guys, those are mistakes. Remember to use the right article depending on the word, the exceptions, and what we have learned today. El clima, el día, el idioma, el planeta, el poema, el problema, el programa, el sofá, el tema, el mapa, la mano, la edad, la paz, la voz, la foto, la pared, la flor, la radio, la mujer, la luz. Guys, a lot of words today, 20 exceptions in Spanish that will help you to build your vocabulary. So guys, today we finished with the lesson of exceptions, and if you like this video, just like and subscribe to my channel because we will be creating a lot of interesting content, guys, to learn Spanish. And remember that you can watch my video with verbs to build your vocabulary, also with 20 words and plus 20 words in Spanish that can help you to build your vocabulary, guys. So guys, those videos are here, and in the description of this video I will let the link so you can check and watch and start building your vocabulary in Spanish, guys. So thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima, hasta la vista, nos vemos.